Hey, it's Ryan Gillard here at Real Broker, your Calgary Realtor. And today I'm in the neighborhood of Southwood, and I'll take you through this 1,100 square foot bungalow that's been fully remodeled. It's got 3 bedrooms upstairs. It has 2 bedrooms in the basement. The basement is also fully suited, and it's a legal basement. And it also has a double detached garage, and again, fully finished. This property is listed for about $945,000. Let's take a look. All right, I'll just give you a bit more info about this property. So the address is 815 104th Avenue Southwest in the neighborhood of Southwood. List price is $945,000. So it's a single family detached home. It was built in 1963, but it has gone through a total remodel with all city permits. Property taxes are about $3,300 per year. And we've got 3 bedrooms upstairs and 2 in the basement. The basement, again, is fully finished and suited, and it's also a legal basement suite, which is not as common in Calgary, but it's definitely an upgrade. 1,125 square feet on the main level, and in the basement, it has 936 square feet. And this one has an oversized double garage that's heated and insulated. Again, fully remodeled. And I'll just go through a bit more of the upgrades here. But first things first, there's actually no neighbors behind this property as well, which I think is definitely a selling point. So as you come into the property, you've got a custom bench with a shoe rack. You've got a masterpiece tile-facing fireplace with the floating shelves on each side. You've got a striking feature wall in the dining room. You've got a gourmet kitchen with stainless steel appliances, gas stove, custom cabinetry, sleek countertops, and a center island. And so much more, as you can see through with the video here. And the last thing I'll mention here is Southwood. It's not in the inner city, but it's not in the deep south. It's kind of in between. And it's a good suburban, family-friendly neighborhood. Very easy access routes to get in and out of the south central part of the city. You've got Glenmore Trail, Anderson, 14th Street, Elbow Drive. So it's quite easy to get in and out of this area. And if you are thinking about making a move to Calgary, buying, selling, or relocating, give me a call, shoot me a text, send me an email. I'd love to help you out. And I'll see you on the next video.